Some cars promise luxury and performance, but the ride isn't the only thing that makes an impression. Over the years, maintenance, repairs, and routine care quietly shape the ownership experience, often in ways that aren't obvious at first. A few machines demand attention and expense at every turn, while others settle into a rhythm that feels almost effortless. Understanding how time and usage affect costs can reveal which ones reward patience and which ones test both wallets and nerves. Today, we will talk about the true cost of owning a Mercedes, 5-year breakdown. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The true cost of owning a Mercedes, 5-year breakdown. Owning a Mercedes Benz is a dream for many. The badge represents luxury, advanced engineering, performance, and prestige. But in 2026, understanding the true cost of ownership over a 5-year period is crucial before signing on the dotted line. While a Mercedes delivers an exceptional driving experience, the total cost isn't just the MSRP. It includes depreciation, insurance, financing, maintenance, repairs, fuel, taxes, and resale value. This breakdown will take you step by step through what you can expect to spend if you buy or lease a Mercedes and keep it for 5 years. We'll look at real expenses, typical costs for popular models, how ownership costs compare to non-luxury vehicles, and strategies to save money. Whether you're considering a C-Class sedan, GLC SUV, E-Class, or even an AMG performance variant, grasping the total numbers helps you decide if the luxury lifestyle aligns with your financial goals. This isn't just a list of expenses. It's a realistic, detailed look at long-term ownership, so you're prepared for every cost that comes your way. 2. Purchase price and depreciation. The first big expense. The most immediate and impactful cost of owning a Mercedes is depreciation. Luxury cars like Mercedes Benz lose value faster than many mainstream vehicles, often 20 to 30% in the first year and up to 50% over 3 to 5 years. For example, a new Mercedes GLC with an MSRP of $55,000 might be worth around $30,000 to $32,000 after 5 years. That's a depreciation hit of $23,000 to $25,000, money that's never recouped. Even models with strong resale value, like the E-Class or C-Class, follow similar patterns. Depreciation is a real cost, even though it's not a monthly bill. It affects your net worth and the eventual resale or trade-in value. Choosing a slightly used model, 2 to 3 years old, can dramatically reduce this loss because the steepest depreciation already occurred. Buyers who plan to keep their Mercedes beyond 5 years spread the depreciation cost over a longer period, reducing annual financial impact. Understanding depreciation sets the foundation for the total 5-year cost picture. 3. Insurance. Luxury comes with higher premiums. Another often overlooked aspect of ownership is insurance. Mercedes vehicles cost more to insure than many non-luxury cars because repair costs, replacement parts, and theft risk are higher. Insurers factor in vehicle value, repair complexity, performance capability, and accident repair costs when calculating premiums. Across the board, Mercedes owners typically pay 15 to 30% more annually for full coverage than owners of mainstream sedans or SUVs. For example, a 35-year-old driver insuring a Mercedes C-Class might pay $1,800 to $2,400 per year, while the same driver could pay closer to $1,200 to $1,500 for a similar Toyota or Honda. Over 5 years, that's a difference of $3,000 to $4,500 or more purely in insurance costs. 4. Financing and interest. How loan terms add up. Most Mercedes buyers finance at least a portion of their purchase, and the terms of that financing affect total cost over 5 years. Mercedes-Benz Financial Services occasionally offers attractive promotions like 0% APR or low-interest financing, but those deals are often limited to select models and credit tiers. When interest applies, even a modest rate, for example 3 to 6% on a $50,000 loan, can add thousands of dollars in interest paid over a typical 60-month term. For example, A $50,000 loan at 5% over 5 years results in about $6,600 in interest paid across the loan term. Compare that with paying cash or securing dealer incentives. The difference can be notable. Additionally, leasing remains an option for those who want lower monthly payments, but lease contracts often include mileage limits, wear and tear charges, and no ownership equity at the end. Buyers must compare financing costs, residual values, and total interest when evaluating long-term ownership to understand how much the loan itself contributes to the total 5-year cost. 5. Maintenance and scheduled service, the base costs. Mercedes vehicles are precision machines, and even routine service costs more than most non-luxury cars. Scheduled maintenance includes oil changes, often requiring synthetic oil, brake service, tire rotations, and inspections. While the manufacturer sometimes offers prepaid maintenance plans, many owners pay out of pocket. Annual routine maintenance for a Mercedes can average $800 to $1,200 per year, depending on mileage and service needs. Over 5 years, budget roughly $4,000 to $6,000 just for scheduled service. Additionally, fluid flushes, cabin air filters, brake pads, and tire replacements can add to this total. Independent European specialists can sometimes offer lower labor rates, but genuine Mercedes parts and specialized diagnostics remain premium. Newer models with adaptive suspension, air suspension, and advanced driver assist systems add complexity to seemingly simple services, further increasing costs if components wear prematurely. 6. Repairs and unexpected costs. When things break beyond routine maintenance, luxury vehicles often incur more expensive unexpected repairs, especially as warranty coverage expires. Mercedes models are known for complex electronics, air suspension systems, advanced driver assist modules, turbocharged engines, and high-pressure systems, all of which can be costly to repair if they fail. For example, air suspension strut replacements can easily exceed $1,500 to $3,000 per corner. And electronic control module replacements or sensor failures can range from $500 to $2,000 or more. Over 5 years, most owners will encounter at least one unexpected repair or service item outside basic maintenance. Many owners opt for extended warranty plans, which add to upfront cost but cap unexpected repair bills. Independent shops can sometimes offer savings, but premium parts and specialized labor still cost more than average. 7. Fuel and efficiency, daily costs. Add up, Mercedes vehicles tend to feature powerful engines and performance-oriented drivetrains, which often translate into higher fuel costs than economy cars. While many modern models offer turbocharged 4-cylinders and mild hybrid assistance, fuel economy typically ranges from 20 to 27 miles per gallon in everyday driving. Less than the 30-plus miles per gallon averages of many sedans or compact SUVs. Over a typical 12,000-mile annual driving pattern, that difference can amount to $600 to $1,000 per year in additional fuel expenses compared to a high-efficiency mainstream vehicle. Over 5 years, fuel costs alone can be $3,000 to $5,000 more depending on model, driving habits, and fuel prices, which fluctuate based on market conditions. Diesel or AMG performance variants consume more fuel, increasing this cost further. 8. Tires, brakes, and wear items. Premium parts. Premium cost. Mercedes owners also face premium costs for wear items due to larger brakes, performance tires, and advanced suspension components. High-performance brakes on sport trims or AMG models wear faster and cost significantly more to replace than standard brakes, often $800 to $1,500 or more for both front and rear pads and rotors. Tires, especially low-profile or performance-oriented ones, can run $800 to $1,500 per set depending on brand and size. Routine replacement over 5 years can easily total $2,000 to $4,000 for tires and brakes combined. Additional wear items like wheel bearings, bushings, and alignment services add to this tally. While these costs aren't unique to Mercedes, the premium parts and precise tolerances common on luxury cars make labor and parts more expensive than on mainstream vehicles. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.